what's included in a do-it-yourself kit. You basically get your choice of intercom. So you get the S4S intercom. It's either the Bluetooth or the non-Bluetooth. You get your choice of either the ham radio or the G95 GMRS radio. You get, if you get 2 headsets, you're going to get 2 4-foot cords. If you get 4 headsets, then you'll get 2 4-foot cords and 2 9-foot extension cords. And if you want the 2 9s and the 2 12s, make sure you specify in the notes below. But typically for a 4-seater hanging on the roll bar, 2 4s work really good, and 2 9s work good for getting to the back. You're going to get the jumper wire. This goes between the radio and the intercom. You're going to get the antenna ground wire. You're going to get the coax cable. You're going to receive an antenna. I just happened to grab the shadow antenna because it's really small, easy to show, but you have a choice in your antenna as well. And you're going to get one PTT, passenger PTT with a 7-foot wire on it. And then you're going to get a little glove compartment back that's going to have a little glass fuse with a card and a couple stickers. And then you can put your hand mic in this bag and just put it in your glove compartment when you're done. So inside the radio box, you're going to get your radio. You're going to have a bracket. This is a little U-bracket that goes over the top of the radio, or below it. You can either mount it on top, like that, or you can have it come from underneath as well, like that. You're going to receive a hand mic, a little parts bag with an extra fuse, and then underneath the tray you get your little power wire that typically what we do, instead of connecting these directly into the cigarette lighter, if you got the intercom as well, we typically cut this end off, and I'll kind of demonstrate that in another video on a little bit of some installation tips. So some of the popular add-ons to the do-it-yourself kit that don't come with it is like your noise filter, a PTT, driver PTT, or additional passenger PTTs if you want some additional one of those. Again, we can include one, but some people like to have one for the back, or a driver PTT to go around their steering wheel. But if you get additional PTTs, don't forget to get a PTT splitter. The PTT splitter goes in the back of the intercom where it says a PTT port, and then you plug in each additional PTT into here, up to 4. And your headset rack is another one that's really nice that people get. You put that on around the bar. These little cinch straps go around your roll bar, and then you can hang your headsets